Hi, today we're reviewing the Biobare Vitamin C, B, and E and Ferulic Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so I've been asked to review this one a lot for a while, so finally, over the last couple of months, had a chance to pick it up and try it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I've been using it in my routine now for quite some time, so I thought I'd give it my full review. So they say the vitamin C, B, and E Ferulic Serum will help you defy the laws of aging, elevating the appearance of your skin to celebrity status. This luxurious and moisture-rich serum works to erase years of aging, leaving skin glowing, supple, and satiny smooth, rich in natural antioxidants, and supercharged with ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. This high-potency serum defends against free radical damage, smooths fine lines, and deeply hydrates for softer skin. Celebrity status. I'm all over that, right? I'm a celebrity in my own mind. Although, you know what? Every time I get to my dad's house to check on the 4 Yorkies, the front door's open. The second I show up, all 4 Yorkies, they're barking out the window. So excited to see me. I always feel like a celebrity every day I get there. So even if it's just to the Yorkies, I'm okay with it. Although, you know what? I'm giving them a lot less treats because a few of them need to lose a little bit of weight. And I would say my celebrity status is going down a little bit each day. So maybe by the end of their diet, they won't even care if I'm there. I don't know. Okay. My first criteria is packaging, and it comes in this. It doesn't come with the dropper bottle. It comes with a little cap on it, which I like because then you just know no air is getting in once they seal it up and send it on their way. They say to extend the shelf life, they recommend storing in a cool, dark place. You can also refrigerate the serum, opened or sealed or unopened. So that's typically what I do. I keep my little skincare fridge, which is totally maximized full, and then take it out, use it, and then put it right back in. And anyway, I hope that skincare fridge is not using a lot of electricity because it's always going. I don't know. I gotta stop thinking about that. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those. In terms of fragrance, this has no fragrance, no real noticeable scent. A lot of vitamin C serums have that hot dog water scent. I really don't notice it at all with this one. I'm sure somebody will have noticed something, but I just personally don't notice it at all with this, so, which I'm just fine with. The manufacturing location for this one is in the U.S., so let me do a quick pH test on this one, because for vitamin C, pH is very important. So let's check that out. Looks like it is right around just a little bit over 3, I would say. So, and I think with vitamin C, 3.5 and below is where you want to be. And of course, the lower the pH gets, the higher chance of potential irritancy happens. So they recommend once daily, apply it to your skin after cleansing and toning. They say apply the full dropper. I don't apply the full dropper. I probably apply like 5 drops of it, which is about half a dropper. And then they recommend using it on your face. You know what? I don't use it on my neck because my neck is almost always covered up. So my poor neck. Someday I'm going to investigate, but I usually just use it on my face. And then after it's absorbed, you can apply your moisturizer, sunscreen. No issues with that. I have found, for some reason, when I apply the protein moisturizer over this vitamin C serum, and there's not just this vitamin C, it's a couple other ones, that it has started to foam a bit. So I really have to wait like 5 minutes after I apply it before I apply the Proteini cream. I didn't see any formulation changes with the Proteini, but it's not just this vitamin C serum, it's other ones too. So I don't know what's up with that. I've researched it. I have no idea. Can't figure it out. There wasn't any formulation changes, doesn't look like. So anyway, thought I'd mention that, but this one absorbs nicely. It's a really non-greasy finish. A lot of vitamin C serums can be kind of oily or really kind of greasy feeling. This one doesn't have that at all. Feels really nice on your skin. Yeah, and the pH is proper, so no issues at all with that. Very easy to use. Okay, antioxidants. So we've got 20% L-Ascorbic acid. It's the gold standard of vitamin C. Somebody asked me if, I think it was the ascorbyl glucoside. One brand was marketing it as the gold standard of vitamin C. It's not. Vitamin C, L-Ascorbic acid, it's the only ingredient that has as much research on it. None of these derivatives have nearly as much research as regular L-Ascorbic acid. So that's what you want if it's possible that you can use it. Your skin tolerates it. So it's an antioxidant, it's skin brightening, it's anti-aging, works best at a concentration between 5 and 20%. We've got 20% right here. L-Ascorbic acid is known to boost skin collagen production, fade hyperpigmentation. If you use it under sunscreen, it helps your sunscreen work better and fight off free radicals better. It can oxidize very easily, which is why there's a lot of brands trying other derivatives. And L-Ascorbic acid requires a brand to manufacture their products frequently. You can't just manufacture a year's worth of your products. A lot of brands have tried to do that, and they end up orange by the time customers get it. So if you're in this business and you're using L-Ascorbic acid, buy from a brand who is smaller, if possible, that can make their products fresh. Drunk Elephant, apparently they're having issues with it. Tarte had a great vitamin C serum, but it seemed like the first bottle I got was great, and a few months later I repurchased it, and that bottle was orange. So I think at this point, Timeless, Biobare, Geek and Gorgeous, they all seem to be able to manufacture things regular, so by the time customers get them, they're not orange, because it's very unstable. So, okay. So then we've got that. We've got vitamin E, which is an antioxidant hydrating ingredient, helps prevent UV damage as well. We've got Panthenol, which is skin soothing and hydrating. Sodium hyaluronate, humectant, it's in everything. I'm annoyed seeing it, but it's not bad for your skin. But I just find really heavy sodium hyaluronic or hyaluronic acid products are not great for a lot of skin types because it has a tendency to clog pores. Even though it's not really rated as comedogenic, I find it sits on top of my skin, doesn't absorb, and everything I apply over it doesn't absorb either, and then it kind of just upsets my skin. But anyway, this one doesn't have a whole ton of it. Then we've got ferulic acid, a great antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. Ferulic acid is great to see in a vitamin C serum because it helps the vitamin C work better. It also helps it stabilize a little bit better and helps with photo protection. Then we've got niacinamide, another great ingredient, helps with skin barrier repair, skin brightening, skin soothing, hydrating, anti-acne. So we've got all the big ones you want to see in a vitamin C serum. Very happy about that. Some people will probably ask about the niacinamide because there's things out there online, a lot of them that say you can't use niacinamide with vitamin C, and that has been kind of an old wives' tale, and it still gets repeated frequently. So I won't talk anymore about it, but generally it's okay to use them together for most people, unless your skin is very sensitive or things like that. So okay, in terms of animal testing, Biobare, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's cruelty-free. We've got the big 3 there too, so that's always exciting. So performance, I'm very happy with this one. It's a very nice vitamin C, several beneficial ingredients and antioxidants, as well as some skin soothing ingredients in here. Certainly helps brighten skin. It doesn't feel greasy. I can apply it. I'm using it right now at the beginning of the day. And some vitamin C serums apply a little greasy, and then towards the end of the day, it looks like an oil slick. I didn't have this problem with this one at all. Works really nice. Good vitamin C percentage, proper pH, and they've got the additional ingredients, vitamin E and ferulic acid, which help it work better. So very happy with this one. It's got a few acne-genic ingredients. We've got Laureth 23, vitamin E, and Triethanolamine. Okay, so let's get to price. So this is the full size, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. I bought this for, I think it was $50. It's on sale frequently. The list price is $69. If you see it listed for $69, don't buy it and check back in a few days because it seems like this brand frequently has sales. So don't spend $70 on it if you can help it because it will be on sale again. There's a lot like Dermatology. They're one of those brands. They always seem to have a 20% off sale. There's a lot of brands like that. I don't know why they just don't lower their prices and not always have a sale, but I'm sure there's some psychological thing in there that works better. So buy this for $50 if you can, not the $70. So it's still a little pricey. I mean, Timeless is about half the price. So it is a little pricey, but anyway. Yeah, so Geek and Gorgeous, their vitamin C I think is like $13. The Ordinary's ones are around $10. Wish Trend has a couple that are like $30, so it's a little pricey, but not ridiculously so. Then when it comes to the It Factor, really like it. A very nice vitamin C serum. All the backup ingredients you want to see. Vitamin E, ferulic acid in here. Works well, non-greasy, easy to use, no fragrance. Overall, pretty good option for most skin types except for the very acne prone. So, really happy with this one. Really enjoy it. So, with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 9. I really enjoy it. So, certainly one I would repurchase too. So, there's not a lot of those out there, but it's a nice one. So, although I'd love it if they came in an airtight package. I don't know. The dropper bottle's here to stay. It's never going away. But if we could get to a place where at least every L-Ascorbic acid product is packaged somehow in a better packaging, it would be great. But keep it in the fridge and that will help too. So, and you know what? I've had this one open now for a couple months and it's still pretty darn clear. So that's a good sign. So, okay. Anyway, those are my thoughts. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts were. So, I'll leave a comment. I love hearing from you, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thank you so much.